Hey gang, welcome back to Opal's Diecast Restoration. Today we've got the Hot Wheels Deora 2. But before we get started, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. I see a lot of viewers out there. Please hit that subscribe button if you watch. As I said, it's the Hot Wheels Deora 2 from 1999. We get started by drilling out the single post. The front was held on by the grill or the bumper or whatever tucked in. Here's all the pieces. Get it tapped out, the post cleaned up for easy reassembly. Forgot my arrow. Clean up the post. Get our 256 button head screw in place. Keep all the gunk out of the threaded post area during the stripping process, which is next. Into our favorite stripper. Shake it, don't break it. Windshield was in really good condition. Just cleaned it a little, dipped it in our pledge. Remember to always blot it off. And cover it, keep the dust off of it. Here's a little interesting trivia I figured out. See that wheel? Different than the other three, as you can obviously see. And it said Matchbox on it. So I guess since Hot Wheels took over Matchbox, somebody at the factory ran short of a wheel and just grabbed a Matchbox one. Didn't even notice it till I got to that point. Get our primer on here. Went with the blue metallic. I detailed up the interior and the motor. Here's all of our pieces ready for reassembly. This is what we started with, the 1999 Hot Wheels Deora 2. Scratched up a little bit, just in need of a restoration. Here's what we ended up with. I added detail to the interior, the motor, and I made 2 new surfboards for it. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please sign or hit that subscribe button. I would greatly appreciate it. For now, this is Opaw saying, surf's up and goodbye.